I haven't filmed in a while, and the reasons for that are many.
Hello. I really didn't make a whole lot of sense in this intro, and I didn't feel up to filming another one, so here's voiceover me. Unbeknownst to me at the time, well, to keep the story short, I had arrived at the end of my wick, so to speak. But I really wanted to make a video. I felt like I just needed to accomplish something, because during the 3 weeks prior to this, it had been so difficult to accomplish even the smallest and simplest of tasks. I just really wanted to have a sense of accomplishment and do something creative, but I also wanted to do something that wasn't going to take a lot of time or brain power, so I settled on a pajama set.
So I'm gonna go ahead and make a pajama set. And I'm curious to know how long it will take me to put it together. Pajama sets seem to me to take a really long time, but I'm not sure that they do. I kind of think they're actually fairly simple and I can make them fairly quickly. So I just want to see how long it's going to take me to put them together. I think it's about 7 p.m. right now, which means that, well, one, I should probably be fixing dinner and eating that, but I could skip that and then just see how long it takes me to put together this pajama set and see if I can have it ready by the time it's time to go to bed. Sure. I'm just going to see how long this takes me. It is now 7:05 and I am starting the project. Also, I just broke a piece off my tripod, so it's going great. This is the fabric I'm working with. I did find it at the thrift store. It is 100% cotton flannel. I have about 3 yards of it, and it is 44 inches wide. And of course, whether we're going to sew something or invent something, we must put our hair up. Follow the great wisdom of Violet Baudelaire. That'll work. All right, so I have my pajama pants pattern right here, but I want to make shorts, so I'm just going to measure from here to here about 8 inches because I want it to end up being about 6 inches ultimately. So I'm going to do 8 inches. I'm just going to draw a line across.
I have mentioned before how I don't like to make the same thing more than once, and it's true, I don't, so it might seem strange that I've made so many pajama sets on this channel. But you see, they are practical, and pajama sets are rather expensive, even at the thrift store, and I'm also super picky about my sleepwear. And every time I make them, I do change the pattern just a little bit, and it keeps on improving. So that's kind of fun.
So I've been working on this for about an hour and I have cut out all of the pieces. That is all I have accomplished. I get asked from time to time, why are you not on some reality TV sewing show? I have many responses to that. There are many reasons why I will never be on a reality TV show of any kind. But the sewing reality TV show, the time constraints, just watching them stresses me out so much that I will not watch those shows. I set this time constraint for myself and it's very vague and I'm still stressing. I need some pickle juice. That's it. Alright, so the shorts are completely complete and I've started working on the top, but I think I need to stop for a little bit. It is about 12:30. I did take a half-hour break for dinner. Very proud of myself for doing that. And I'll just have to pick it up again in the morning.
I kind of lost track of the time it took to make the set, but I think it was somewhere around 7 hours total over the course of a few days, so I didn't get it accomplished as quickly as I would have liked, but I did accomplish it, and that felt pretty good. I know this isn't the most riveting content, far from it, but I really needed something to get me unstuck and back into the swing of making videos. Taking care of oneself and recognizing limits is hard. There are so many ideas that I have, videos that I want to create. I always feel it's not worth it to make a video unless it's spectacular. But I need to recognize that I'm simply not in a position to make spectacular videos right now. Perhaps more difficult than figuring out what I want to do is figuring out what I am able to do. As much as I don't want to, I have to recognize my limits and figure out how to create within them, even if it's not super spectacular.